Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let me first start with the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the merciful. All praise be to Allah alone, and may Allah's peace and blessing be upon you all. Your Excellence, Young Amat Berbahagia Tun Dr Mahathir Mohamad. Your Excellence, Prof. Dr. Muhammad bin Khalifa At-Tamimi. Dear Honorable Debatrectors, members of the top management committee of Al-Madinah International University, dear distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First and foremost, let me introduce Al-Madinah International University. Your Excellence, Dr. Mahathir Mohamad, Al-Madinah International University, or simply called MEDIU, was established by a group of distinguished Muslim scholars who wanted to provide present-day Muslims with modern yet suitable educational tools that would prepare them for the harsh realities of living in the Muslim world today. A world that is desperately overwhelmed by war, prejudice, poverty, injustice, and illiteracy. By facilitating e-learning, MEDIU can be easily accessed by students from all corners of the world at any time or place of their own choosing. MEDIU Vision, a leading international university that promotes a wide range of knowledge in its various aspects to serve humanity and to promote its advancement. MEDIU Mission, disseminating knowledge using the best means and learning methods, knowledge development and intellectual exchange, consistent with the international level of excellence. To create conducive educational and research environment for knowledge seekers all over the world that serve society and preserve ethical values. The objectives of the university. Number one, to disseminate scholarships and knowledge, to preserve values and ideas by way of higher education and academic research, to create a comprehensive and integrated academic environment in the field of education and research, to contribute to the advancement of higher education, to produce graduates with high level of knowledge, technical capabilities, and comparative skills that will be the contributors to the society, to enter into partnerships and agreements with related parties. Let me now give you a brief history of the university. Your Excellence, Dr. Mahathir Mohamad, in early 2004, the idea of the university was established and was named after Al-Madinah Al-Munawwara, the holy and blessed city where Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, established the capital of the first Islamic state. July 2006, a constitutional body of the university received an invitation from the Ministry of Higher Education, Malaysia, to establish the university's headquarters in Malaysia. June 2007, Al-Madinah International University obtained registration as a private educational institution in Malaysia and was subsequently approved as a university on July 2007 by the Minister of Higher Education, in Malaysia, becoming the first international Malaysian university providing online education through e-learning. February 2008, the university officially began operations and received its first batch of students from Indonesia. As of 2009, the number of enrolled students reached up to 1,500 from various countries of the Islamic world and received also 4,000 registration applications from more than 50 countries. September 2010. The university began the conventional method known as on campus, while the number of online students reached 2,991. The main advantage of the university: licenses and integrated permits. First, the university has the necessary licenses from Ministry of Higher Education Malaysia. Second, Al-Madinah has licenses for each course and arbitration from Ministry of Higher Education Malaysia. Third, all of its running academic programs are accredited by the accreditation body of Malaysia known as MQA. Al-Madinah International University proudly got the MSc Malaysia, which is a prestigious status guaranteed by the government of Malaysia to educational institutions and technology companies. Al-Madinah International University is also a member of the European Foundation for Quality in E-Learning. B, advanced preparation of the curricula. First, the book content materials are designed, authored, and evaluated by professors from Al-Azhar Al-Sharif or professors from Malaysian universities. Second, the university provides audio recordings of the voice lessons. Third, the university provides the interactive educational contents. Let me tell you something about the faculty and academic programs of the university. Your Excellence, Tun Dr Mahathir Mohamad, the university offers short courses, diplomas, bachelors, masters, and PhDs. In the postgraduate studies of masters and PhD, it comes in three structures. Structure A is by research. Structure B is by coursework and thesis. And Structure C is coursework and either a project paper or case study. Al-Madinah International University offers a number of disciplines such as computer science and information technology, finance and administrative sciences, education, linguistics, and Islamic sciences in both undergraduate and postgraduate levels, while engineering program will be started on September 2010, inshallah ta'ala. The medium of instruction in all of these specializations is either English or Arabic, depending on the relevant faculty. The teaching modes of the university. The university teaches in two modes, namely online and on campus. First is the open distance learning known as online. In this method, the education is supported with the internet and modern technologies. It's studying through the internet-driven modern communication tools and technologies. The student can join the university from anywhere in the world without having to travel to Malaysia. The lecture services are provided through the university centers located in a number of countries. We have 6 integrated on e-learning methods, which are campus management system known as CMS, advanced learning interactive management system known as ALIM, live classroom systems known as DIMDIM, e-learning content developer, customer relationship management known as CRM, and finally digital library. Second is the conventional face-to-face learning known as on campus. In this method, the student must attend in the campus physically for the academic sessions in the university facilities in Malaysia. This conventional side of MEDIU is equipped with educational and research facilities. It's strengthened with self-learning through e-learning. It provides e-services through a system of online education. It gives academic counseling and psychological guidance. It helps with generous scholarships and financial assistance. And it enriches with high quality of academic programs. MEDIU learning centers around the globe. Your Excellence, Tun Dr Mahathir Mohamad, oversight and guidance are provided by MEDIU service offices in Al-Madinah Al-Munawwar. In addition, MEDIU has regional service offices spread across the world to provide educational services to our students. We are currently in Malaysia, which is the headquarters, the HQ, or the main campus, then Indonesia, Thailand, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Egypt, Morocco, and UK. Swift and strategic steps are currently being taken to expand its presence in Europe and America in the future, inshallah ta'ala. With rapid growth of the university, MEDIU has now more than 3,000 students from over 90 countries around the world in its both online and on-campus modes of learning. Those students study over 52 academic courses approved by the Ministry of Higher Education, Malaysia. Finally, the new campus of the university. The university is currently in the process of establishing its new campus in Cyberjaya, setting up a campus fully equipped with the modern and up-to-date tools and technologies, and integrated with the latest architectural styles, and it will be completed in 2015, inshallah ta'ala. Finally, let me leave you with the visuals of that future campus of the university. Thanks for your time and attention. Wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.